Hello again, everybody. I got a set of these little brass padlocks, and this one is a Defiant. Last time I had that Abus that didn't have any security pins in it. This looks like a knockoff as well. It has the beveled top and a Defiant logo. No production, no made in on it. So we'll get this in the vise. Oh, come on now. Alright, fine. I'm gonna be like that. I'll focus it. Alright. 40 thousandths pry bar. And my Peterson gem. This one's got an extra wide open keyway too, so we could fit just about anything up in there. There we go, we got 4. And I think we got 1. And the back got a little click. Oh, that was actually 3, 4, 3. 2 and 1, all the way up the stack, no problem. This one was even easier than the Avis I just picked. Well, thank you all for watching. This is my second video, so I hope you give me some feedback and let me know what you think.